Hello, you're welcome back. We are still continuing with Surds. And in part two, we also have two questions. Solution. We have to find the values of x to three significant figures if x plus this equal to 10. Number two, we have to simplify. So number one, we have x plus x root 3 equal to 10. And then we have to rewrite so that we'll try and find out the value. So we have x root 3 is equal to 10 minus x. That is taking this to the other side. And then in order to continue, we have to square both sides to remove the square root sign. So x root 3 raised power 2 is the same thing as 10 minus x squared. And this will give us x squared times 3 equal to 10 minus x into 10 minus x. So this one will give us 3x squared equal to 10 times 10 is 100. 10 times minus x is minus 10x. X times 10 is minus 10x. That's minus x times 10. Minus x times minus x is plus x squared. And that is 3x squared equal to 100 minus 20x plus x squared. Now, bringing everything from here to this side, we are going to have 3x squared minus x squared. That is, this x squared crossing the equality sign, it will become a minus. Also, this 20x crossing will be plus, and this 100 will now be minus. So that will be plus 20x minus 100 is equal to 0. And that is, I have taken everything from here to this side. That will give us 2x squared plus 20x minus 100 equal to 0. So we are now having a quadratic equation. And from there we can reduce by dividing everything by 2. So that would be x squared plus 10x minus 50 equal to 0. So for me to continue, I can use general formula to get the roots. And from general formula, we have x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, everything over 2b. Remember, from here, we write out our values. Our a is 1, our b is 10, our b is 10, and then our c should be equal to minus 50. Minus 50. So, in continuation, let me check. Okay. In continuation, we have x equal to minus 10 plus or minus square root of 10, 10 squared minus 4 times 1 times minus 50. Everything over 2 times 1. And moving on, we have minus 10 plus or minus square root of 100. This we change this to plus. 4 times 1 is 4 times 50 is 200. Everything over 2. And this will give us minus 10 plus or minus square root of 300 all over 2. So from there, we now have minus 10 plus or minus, you check square root of 300. And square root of 300, square root of 300 gave us 17.3205. 17.3205. Everything should be over 2. And remember that we have two things here. Minus 10 plus or minus. So which means x is either minus 10 plus 17.3205 all over 2, which is, if you carry out this, that will give us 7.3205. We are dividing by 2. So coming back here, that will give us, it means that x is either 3 points, because 2 divided 7 is 3, in 13 is 6, in 12 again is 6, 3.66, maybe 0. We are not considering because we are looking for 3 significant figures. Or x equal to minus 13.66. That's the final value for x. And that's ends question number 1. Question number 2, we have to simplify this in the form of a plus b root 3. So we have it as 1 over 3 root 3, 1 over root 3, 1 over root 3 plus 2. We have to rationalize with the conjugate, and the conjugate of root 3 plus 2 is root 3 minus 2. So this is 1 over root 3 plus 2 times root 3 minus 2 all over root 3 minus 2. That is the conjugate of this. And then to continue, we have, bringing it here, we have root 3 minus 2 all over, you multiply out. Root 3 times root 3 is root 9. Root 3 times minus 2 is minus 2 root 3. This time this is plus 2 root 3. And then 3 times this is minus 4. Okay, so moving on, we come over here. Come over here and we have root 3 minus 2 all over, root 9 is 3. Then this and this will disappear. 3 minus 4, that will give us root 3 minus 2 all over minus 1, which we can express as minus bracket root 3 minus 2. And then can write it to be, this will change this to plus, that should be 2 minus root 3 as our final answer. So please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If there's any question, we are free to put it in the comment section so that I'll see it in the next video. Thank you.